Very good morning to all. Jagran Institute of Management, staff and students extend a very warm welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest for the day, Dr. Abhay Karandikar sir. Respected Chairman, Mr. Y.M. Gupta ji, Vice Chairperson, Mrs. Ritu Gupta ji, esteemed dignitaries, guests, faculty and students of Jagran Education Foundation Fraternity to the 13th convocation. In the 13th convocation of the Institute, degrees and diplomas will be conferred to the 13th batch of PGDM and 9th batch of MCA. It is a matter of great pride and privilege for us to have Dr. Abhay Karandikar, Director, Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, as a chief guest for this auspicious occasion. Before we begin with the convocation proceedings, let us enlighten and enshrine the spiritual urge of wisdom and bliss by taking the blessings of the Almighty.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्.
Now I request our Chairman Sir, Mr. Y.M. Gupta ji, to declare the convocation open.
I hereby declare the convocation 2020 open.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Chairman Sir to present the welcome address for the august audience.
The chief guest for the day, Professor Abhay Karandikar, members of the Governing Council, Director of the Institute, members of faculty and staff, distinguished invitees, graduating scholars, parents, ladies and gentlemen. It is a matter of great pleasure to be here on the occasion of the 13th convocation of our institution. I extend my warm welcome to Professor Abhay Karandikar, Director IIT Kanpur, as chief guest with us this morning. I'm sure that the gathering will benefit greatly from the views you will soon unfold in your convocation address. I congratulate PDGM and MCA students who will be receiving the diplomas and degrees in the convocation shortly. I wish to emphasize to our passing out students to keep our nation's interest high in their agenda. Our hope and expectation from you is whatever you choose to do it by giving it your 100% and make us proud. JIM is now your alma mater. I start by reminding you that you are a beautiful part of our journey. The education that you have received has opened the way to a more productive and profitable future. Remember the 5 cardinal principles of success in your life. 1. Choose your passion. 2. Follow your passion. 3. Learn continuously. 4. Work rigorously. 5. Your future is limitless. And most important, every end has a new beginning. And future provides you an opportunity and challenges for success. In the end, I leave you with the golden words of Swami Vivekananda ji. Fill the brain with high thoughts, highest ideals. Place them day and night before you, and out of that will come great work. I wish you the very best in life. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I now request our director, Dr. Divya Chaudhary, to present the annual report for the academic year 2019-20.
Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Abhay Karandikar ji, Director IIT Kanpur, Chairman Shri Vayan Gupta ji, Vice Chairperson Mrs. Ritu Gupta ji, CMD Jagan Prakashan Limited, Shri Mahen Mohan Gupta ji, CEO Jagan Education Foundation Dr. Jain Gupta ji, eminent members of the Governing Council, all graduating students and their parents, directors of different JDF verticals, members of the faculty, staff and students, invited dignitaries and guests. A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am honored to welcome you all to another milestone achieved by the students of JIM. JIM has reached to 13th annual convocation. I am honored to welcome Chief Guest Dr. Abhay Karandikar ji for accepting our invitation and to grace this occasion by his presence. Respected dignitaries, allow me to present before you the annual report of our institute. I congratulate the graduating students who have excelled in academics and shall be receiving medals, diplomas and degrees shortly. On the academic front, students will be awarded postgraduate diploma in management and master degree of computer applications awarded by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow. It gives me immense pleasure to announce the names of the meritorious students who will be awarded scholastic medals for their outstanding performance. Chairman's Gold Medal for PGTM program is being awarded to Miss J.R. Dwivedi, and that for MCA program is being awarded to Muhammad Saud Ansari. Chairman's Silver Medal for the PGTM program is awarded to Miss Priyanka Chauhan, and for MCA program to Miss Juhi Singh. The students who have qualified for Director's Roll of Honor are Mr. Ankit Singh Sengar, Ms. Sakshi Singh, Mr. Rishabh Singh, Ms. Dorothy Singh, Mr. Priyanshu Dikshit, Ms. Prachi Chaturvedi, Ms. Priyanka Rajput, Ms. Shailja Shukla. The academic year 2019-20 has been splendid, momentous, and unprecedented too. I consider it a privilege to review some of the activities pertaining to this period, irrespective of sudden crisis and lockdown. Conferences and seminars offer excellent opportunity to explore the nexus between academics and industry. In pursuit of providing such exposure to our students, international and national conference, seminar and symposiums were conducted in the year 2019-20. Before that, in the month of October, JIM Quest 2019 for graduating students of various colleges was organized. It was 4th series in a row and 18 teams participated from the city. In the month of November 2019, JIM organized 40 hours job readiness training for girl students of different JEF verticals with the help of FICCI Flow and NIIT NF. Month of February witnessed National Symposium on topic Budgetary Outreach Road to $5 trillion Economy, where chartered accountants, prominent industrialists from Kanpur, and professor from STEP HBTI shared their viewpoint on the proposed budget and its impact on economy. Third International Conference on topic Microfinance and Digital Economy, Opportunities and Challenges, scheduled on April 18, 2020, was postponed due to pandemic outbreak COVID-19 and will be held on as International E-Conference on August 20, 2020 to discuss microfinance as a category of financial services undergoing significant changes due to digitalization and further how to set up so-called digital ecosystem. All papers will be virtually presented in technical sessions and published in an international journal of repute. Some of the seminars, workshops, and competitions that were attended and organized by our students during this year were: students participated in IIT Megabug competition, students participated in internship competition by Jaipur Institute of Management, Lucknow, students presented papers in FICCI Higher Education Summit 2019 in Delhi, student participated in DR Singh Memorial British Parliament debate season in Ludhiana, Punjab. 2 workshops were conducted by February 2020. One-day workshop to be future ready in the month of September 2019 by Mr. Vikas Jain, a motivational speaker from New Delhi. Workshop on Know Your Rights in the month of August 2019 by IPC. The onset of year 2020 has been uncertain and full of crisis, but at GYM, we try to utilize this unprecedented and lockdown time with intense learning, adopting online remote learning methodology, continuous and rigorous classes, online classes every month during lockdown 1.0 to 4.0 for students were conducted. GYM focused on faculty development and student development activities too. 1 week FDP on research methodology and ethics was organized in the month of March with huge participation of 72 faculties across the country. A series of webinars as interactive learning sessions were organized in the month of May and June 2020 with eminent speakers as Vice Chancellor Shri Shri University Cuttack, ex-director AICT, Vice President Paytm, faculty from IIM Ahmedabad and Lucknow. I would proudly like to share few prominent initiatives brought in throughout the period. Firstly, to mention under 2 flagship programs, CBAT and CST. CBAT, Corporate Business Acumen Training. Under this program, students undertake live projects at various organizations in Kanpur, parallel to academic program. MBA and PGDM first year students did CBAT project in 6 different organizations in Kanpur and submitted a short report in area of HR, marketing and finance. CST, Corporate Structural Training. Under this program, classes are conducted every Saturday to enhance the employability and soft skill of students and to fill the expectation gap between corporate and new employees. GYM's own journal, named Jagran Journal of Management and Technology, was successfully launched with its first volume in the month of August 2019. Few short-term courses in Advanced Excel, Tally with Insight on GST, Digital Marketing were conducted for the students. Even new MOU with Computer Society of India was signed and membership with Dell, British Council of India, NDILI has been a part of our e-library. Newly formed Jagran Incubation and Entrepreneurship Center in the month of March 2020. A flagship program named GROW by a member association, Dr. Reddy Foundation in CSR sector is still undergoing for MBA and PGDM students for 45 days. Incubation Center is also registered with NISP campaign under MHRD's Innovation Cell and AICT. Various clubs are formed for the holistic development of the students. To name a few, Dramatic Club, Kalrak, Vicharo Ki Udan, organized Nukkad Natak on World Elderly Day in the month of October 2019. Cultural Club has been inculcating traditional and ethical values by organizing events like Orientation Day, Freshers Party, World Population Day, Hindi Divas, Children's Day, International Unity Day, Vigilance Week, International Yoga Day, faculty and staff birthday celebrations, Holi and Diwali celebrations, and many more. To foster the sense of social responsibility among the students, Social Club conducted activities like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Literacy Day, Blood Donation Campaign, cloth distribution in slum areas, plastic waste collection and disposal weeks, tree plantation, eye checkup camps, and many more. Sports Club filled zeal and charged students with intra-JEF Sports Day in the month of August 2019. IT Club also provoked ideas and implementation by conducting poster and model making competition in the month of November 2019. Our training and placement department organized industrial visits to Alimco, Kanpur and TCS Lucknow. Training and placement along with marketing team organized a campus drive in the month of November, job fair in the month of December 2019 and another open job fair with 250 students participation in the month of February 2020. To gain industry relevance and generate a contemporary perspective, several experts from industry and academia were invited throughout the year. Hence, a series of around 3 guest lectures were organized till February, after which lockdown due to COVID 2019 began. An alumni event, Reconnect 2020, was organized and appreciated by our alumni students in the month of January 2020. It ended with giving badges to new alumni committee members and cake cutting ceremony. Further, our PGGM students will go for online summer training projects in the month of September 2020 as per AKTU guidelines. Our MCA 4-semester students created mini projects to gain in-hand technical and practical exposure on different models of college ERP. MCA 6-semester students underwent training with prestigious organizations. Along with this, I take this opportunity to acknowledge the achievements of my faculty colleagues in the area of research. 15 papers published in various journals, 2 chapter contributions, 1 book publication, and around 15 paper presentations by different faculties. JIM has a policy of sanctioning funds for research activities to faculties and students too. Finally, allow me to say few words about the placements. Placement is the backbone and reflection of any institution. The efforts of our placement team is channelized in providing students with best bargain and best opportunities. It is a matter of great satisfaction to share that more than 25 companies participated in our placement process. I feel really proud to share that PGGM passing batch and MCA batch was fully placed by February 2020. Some of the participating companies were Just Dial, SGFC AMC, IDBI, Future Generally, Dataman, Jagar Prakashan Limited, Setcost Technology Private Limited, Synxis, Vismen, just to name a few. Ladies and gentlemen, I am overwhelmed in sharing this report as past 6 months have been very difficult and we progressively adopted new normal as a part of our routine and made learning a continuous process. Tried to prepare students to face any uncertainty in future. With these words, I conclude my report by conveying my heartiest congratulations and best wishes to all my dear students and to remind them that the sky is the limit. My heartfelt appreciation to all the parents, mentors, and to those who have contributed in bringing this day to us. I express my gratitude to all the recruiting companies with the belief and confidence that our academic and Industry Corporation will continue to grow in future. I thank and acknowledge the support and encouragement received from our Chairman, Vice Chairperson, CEO, members of the Governing Council, and all my colleagues. I extend my appreciation to the students for their exemplary behavior and participation. I once again thank our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Abhay Karandikar ji, for gracing this occasion, and to Shri Mehen Mohan Gupta ji, CMD Jagan Prakashan Limited, all the distinguished guests and invitees for being with us today. I would like to end my words with a wonderful thought by Swami Vivekananda ji. He said, "All power is within you. You can do anything and everything." My best wishes and prayers for safety of all. Stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Director Dr. Divya Chaudhary to confer the degrees and diploma to the qualified students of PGDM batch 2018-20 and MCA batch 2016-19.
Respected dignitaries, I present before you the candidates who are virtually present and those who are absent for the post-graduation diploma in management and Masters of Computer Applications on their having successfully completed the necessary requirements. I confer the diplomas and degrees to the respective candidates.
It's time to acknowledge and appreciate the efforts of meritorious students under the category of Chairman's Gold and Silver Medals and Director's Roll of Honor. Respected Chairman, Sir, and Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Abhay Karandikar, Sir, in your presence, we felicitate the academic achievements of the students under the category of Gold, Silver, and Director's Roll of Honor to the following candidates. Chairman's Gold Medal for MCA 1619 goes to Saud Ansari. Chairman's Silver Medal for MCA 1619 goes to Juhi Singh. Director's Roll of Honor for MCA 1619 goes to Ankit Singh Sengar. Director's Roll of Honor for MCA 1619 goes to Sakshi Singh. Director's Roll of Honor for MCA 1619 goes to Rishabh Singh. Director's Roll of Honor for MCA 1619 goes to Dorothy Singh. And lastly, Director's Roll of Honor for MCA 1619 goes to Prinshu Dikshit. Moving ahead, award announcement for PGDM 1820. Chairman's Gold Medal goes to Jaya Tavedi for PGDM 1820. Chairman's Silver Medal PGDM 1820 goes to Priyanka Chauhan. Director's Roll of Honor for PGDM 1820 goes to Prachi Chaturvedi. Director's Roll of Honor for PGDM 1820 goes to Priyanka Rajput. Director's Roll of Honor for PGDM 1820 goes to Shelja Shukla. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations to award winners and all the students who have been conferred the diplomas and degrees. Ladies and gentlemen, we have finally arrived at the moment on this convocation day for which we all were anxiously waiting. It is a matter of great pride for all of us to have the blessings of Dr. Abhay Karandikar for our 13th convocation. Dr. Abhay Karandikar is an Indian educator, engineer, and advisor, best known for his work in telecommunication sector in India. He currently serves as the director of Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. He has been driving several large initiatives, both at national and at institute level. At the national level, he is currently the chairman of India's first telecom standards development organization. TSDSI is expected to influence next general telecom standards through Indian requirements. During 2014-16, he also led IIT Bombay's Research Park, whose objective is to develop an ecosystem of innovation through industry-academia collaboration. He is also the coordinator of National Center of Excellence in Technology for Internal Security. The list of his achievements is long, but not taking much of time, I would now request Sir to say a few words on this auspicious occasion.
Namaskar. First of all, I would like to welcome all the graduating students and teachers and also the members of the management of Jagran Institute of Management. It is my great privilege to address all of you on this auspicious occasion of e-convocation when several students of Jagran Institute are graduating today. It is a bit unfortunate that due to prevailing COVID-19 pandemic situations, I could not be present in person, but we are all talking to you in a virtual or electronic means. First of all, at the outset, let me congratulate all the students of PGDM and MCA who are going to get their degrees today on this e-convocation. Many hearty congratulations to all of you and my best wishes for all your future endeavors and careers in whatever walks of life you would step out today. At the same time, I would like to congratulate all the parents whose sacrifices have really resulted in their children reaching this height of success. Friends and students, today you would be beaming with joy of achievements and fulfillment. All your hard work, these years that you have put in has come to a fruition, and we are all delighted that you are graduating today. But with this sense of achievement and pride also comes a responsibility in you. Swami Vivekananda has said that youth is really indeed the future of our country, of our nation. Today, our nation has maximum population of young people like you, and the future of this country really lies in the hard work, the dedication, and the sacrifices that you will do in the coming years once you step out into the life after you have graduated. Education is really the thing which is an important achievement for contributing to the society and the nation. All of you belong to that privileged class who have had the good fortune to attend the master's degrees like PGDM or MCA. In our country, there is a large population who is underprivileged, who are not so fortunate, and who did not get that opportunity to study and get educated like all of us and like you, all of you who have done. Once you graduate, I would like to urge you that remain sensitive and remain responsible towards those sections of the society who are unfortunately were not so privileged as you are. Do not forget your commitment and your dedication to those strata of society. In future, you need to work with passion and commitment. Tomorrow, you may be working in some industry, you may be working in some government organizations. Some of you may also be starting their own enterprises, maybe going into entrepreneurial activities. Whatever role that you want to do, don't forget your dedication and your commitment to this great nation. With our efforts and with our commitments only, we can make India a country of global repute and also a world power. There will be many challenges in your life that you will face. As a matter of fact, even today, as you know, the whole world is going through a crisis in the form of COVID-19 pandemic. Our own country itself has many challenges in all sectors, and particularly in our rural areas. There still, despite significant efforts put by our present government, there still continues to be the disparity between various sections of the society. I really urge you to be sensitive to these challenges, these problems, and would like you to dedicate your work and your efforts in whatever enterprises or organizations that you are working to address the problems of the society. I would really like to see that some of the challenges that we are faced with get converted into opportunities. As a matter of fact, great opportunity really lies in great challenges and overcoming those challenges. While your formal education in the form of degrees may be over, remember one thing, that learning never stops in life. So keep learning. Do not stop your learning. You keep learning from your environment, from the friends, from families, from the society, in the organization, from your colleagues where you work with. Understand the value of time. Understand that this Almighty God has given you the opportunity and the time to make a difference to the society and the nation. Use all your enthusiasm, your critical thinking, and your hard work to contribute to your family, to your neighborhood, to your society, and ultimately to our great country. Don't get disheartened if you are confronted with the problems in your career or your organizations. It is not going to be an easy and smooth life after you graduate and start working in your jobs or whatever field, if you want to start your own enterprises and your own entrepreneurial activities. But I'm sure that the education and the training that you have got into the institute will empower you to overcome all the problems and the challenges, and you will shine in your life. Once again, I would like to congratulate you for achieving all the success today. I hope you will make best use of your education in furthering your professional career and will achieve a great success in your life. My best wishes for you and your family. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightening words. I'm sure each of us will carry your words back home and benefit greatly. Moving ahead, we would now like to share with all the joy and thrill of the meritorious students who have received award in this convocation. We have with us their bites and testimonials. Let's have a look.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Mohammad Saud Ansari, batch 2016 and 19 MCA. I hope everybody is doing well and safe. At the moment, I am working as a software engineer for Dataman Computer Systems Private Limited. I am a little sad that this convocation couldn't be possible as planned as it should have been. But at the same time, I am really happy and grateful that we are still safe. If I talk about my journey at Jagran Institute of Management, it is quite difficult to summarize in few minutes. Keeping the goal of becoming software engineer, I interned Jagran Institute of Management back in 2016. I was excited, but at the same time, a little scared and worried of new reality. I had no clue what I will get in return for 3 years. But I remember at the end of first semester, my all negativity began to turn into positivity because I had new friends, seniors, faculties who were always eager to help me and guide me whenever I needed. And for that, I'm really, really grateful. Every encountered and experience gained at Jagran Institute of Management have been enriching and will remain forever in my memories. be it taking parts in dramas, plays, games, projects, etc. And today I'm absolutely honored to receive this award. I would definitely take a moment to thank each and every member. Firstly, I would like to thank Director Ma'am for her endeavor to make Java Institute of Management more prestigious and feel us proud every moment. And it's always been a privilege to be the part of Jagran family. Thank you so much, man. Keep believing in me and pushing me beyond my limits. I thank to others, sir, for your teachings, positive criticism always helped me throughout my journey and kept me motivated. Thank you so much. I would thank to other Anil sir, Ashish sir, Anand sir, Aman sir, everybody, and Nidhi ma'am to motivate me and be myself whenever I need it. Thank you so much, everybody. And finally, I wish congratulations to all my friends and wish good luck in near future. I hope everything will be fine and normal as usual. And thank you so much once again. Stay home, stay safe.
On this great occasion, I'm feeling highly honored for getting awarded as a silver medalist of MCA 2019 batch. A special thanks is to the director man who has provided a lot of opportunities to us to groom ourselves and to explore ourselves. Thank you, Ashish sir, Anand sir, Anu ma'am, Nidhi ma'am, everybody. That thanks to all of you for correcting me, for supporting me, and for taking me a step ahead for being an independent and confident woman.
Hello everyone, I, Jaya Dwivedi, am feeling highly honored and excited to be bestowed upon with the title of PGDM Gold Medalist 2020. On this day, I would like to extend my warm gratitude to all the dignitaries of Jagran Institute of Management. A special thanks to my parents, younger brothers, director ma'am, faculty mentors, friends, and everyone who's been a part of this achievement of mine. I still remember the day when I came in over here as a girl who was kind of reserved in herself and was not so outspoken about her thoughts. There was a time when I went to the podium and stood there speechless. But then, due to the grooming, motivation, encouragement that I got over here at Jagran to explore and make the best of all the opportunities that come to my way, you can see me as a confident person now. I just feel it's just the zeal within you to learn. And of course, when you have this kind of guidance from an institute like Jagran, you can make a difference to yourself. Lastly, I once again want to thank everyone who's made me what I'm today. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Priyanka Chauhan and I am extremely honored to be receiving a silver medal. Winning this award would not have been possible without the inspiration I have received from my director ma'am and faculty mentors, from whom I have derived the strength to challenge myself and perform better at each stage. I sincerely thank each one of you, Anu ma'am, Sneha ma'am, Naveen sir, and the entire staff member for helping me reach a stage where I can proudly hold up this award as a mark of my achievement. Also, I am thankful to the Jagran Education Foundation for giving me this platform. Thank you.
I now request our chairman, sir, to close the convocation ceremony.
I hereby declare the convocation 2020 closed.
I would now request our faculty member, Dr. Naveen Arora, to deliver the vote of thanks.
A very good afternoon, all of you. Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Abhay Karandikar, Chairman, Shri Vayam Gupta ji, our most esteemed dignitaries, guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's my proud privilege to present vote of thanks in this e-convocation of Jagran Institute of Management. On behalf of Jagran Institute of Management, staff and students, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Chief Guest, Dr. Abhay Karandikar, Director, Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, for his gentle presence and for sharing his valuable insights from his extensive experience. Sir, we are extremely fortunate to have your blessings. Your words of wisdom will go a long way in enriching and motivating our students. We offer a deep sense of gratitude to the Chairman, Shri Vayam Gupta ji, for being our source of inspiration throughout. His guidance and continued support has always motivated us. We take this opportunity to extend our sincere thanks to the Chairperson of JEF, Srimati Ritu Gupta ji, for her leadership and direction in achieving the objectives of the Institute. We extend our earnest appreciation to Shri Mahendra Mohan Gupta ji, Chairman and Managing Director, Jagran Prakashan Limited, and all the council members for their patronage. We are indebted to the CEO of Jagran Education Foundation, Dr. J.N. Gupta ji, for being a pillar of strength and for extended support that always encourages us in accomplishing each endeavor. We express our heartfelt thanks to Director of Jagran Institute of Management, Dr. Divya Chaudhary, for her tireless efforts and for persistently pushing our limits. We are thankful to Mr. Bhaskar Genti, Chief Development Officer, Jagran Education Foundation, Mr. S.P. Tripathi, Director, Jagran Institute of Management and Mass Communication, Dr. Asmita Dubey, Principal, Jagran College, and all the distinguished members of Jagran Education Foundation for their support and help. We are thankful to all the dignitaries, invitees, and corporate guests who have taken out their valuable time to be with us online this morning. A special thanks to our recruiting partners and corporate mentors. We always appreciate your partnership as it is the foundation of our success. We would also like to thank all faculty members and admin staff for their efforts in making this occasion a success. We offer our heartfelt thanks to the guests from media and technical support team for covering this event. We hereby acknowledge the hard work of PGDM and MCA student volunteers for organizing this event. Finally, a big thanks to all the graduating students and their parents who have assembled online today. Our hearty congratulations to graduating scholars. It is the sparkle in their eyes that makes us all feel proud and happy for what we are doing. Now, I request all the participants of the event to rise for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे